Hi everyone, welcome to today's craft program. My name is Dabney. I'm the Young Adult Librarian with the Twin Lakes Libraries and I use they, them pronouns. For today's episode, which is the final craft video for the Summer Reading Club Tales and Tales, we are going to be making a mermaid themed craft. And it's going to be something kind of similar to making sand art, if you've ever done that. Except we are going to be using Epsom salt, color chalk, and this is the little container we're going to put it in. It's a mermaid tail. This is a take-home craft, so if you want to do this at home, we're going to have some craft bags at the Mary Vinson Library that you can pick up and do this at home, or you can reserve your craft online. So we did a similar craft to this earlier. Can't remember if it was this year or last year, but I'm just gonna walk you through this now. Turn this down. So for the Epsom salts, what you do, you just pour some out on like a sheet of paper, and you know what you're gonna do is color it with the chalk. So when you pour it in here, you can do layers of color, and I think for mine, I'm just going to do like green and blue and purple. You can do yours however you want. Just got a little cork here. So I'm going to dump out the chalk. And you just take a piece of chalk and you're going to rub it over the salt. This is basically scraping the chalk pigment off onto the salt. The noise is kind of similar to nails on a chalkboard, so I'm not, I don't know. I don't remember it being quite this. Alright, or you could just like, do the chalk on the paper like this, and then rub the salt in that. I think I'm going to do that, because scraping the chalk over the salt is just like a really unpleasant noise. And this seems to work good. Okay, so just rubbing chalk onto the paper, getting the salt over that. Now this is going to get on your fingers. And as you can see, you've got this like light pastel color. You can keep doing this to get it as dark as you want or as light as you want. Then you fold up your paper like this. And you're going to let that fall into your mermaid tail. So you've got a layer here. Now, if you want, you could do it like this, kind of do some sideways layers. And then repeat the process. Get as much salt as you want. I'm going to do blue this time. Scraping that blue on here. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. There's a thunderstorm building outside. The thunder's really loud. Now, okay, so got the blue. Gonna put that in here. And pour it in. So got a little purple, blue, and you can, if you want this to be like thinner layers, you could like maybe experiment, like pour the chalk in before you color it and see like, if you want it to be up to this mark, see how much salt that would be, and then color that, and then kind of do it from there. Because I wasn't expecting the blue to fill it all the way up to there, but it did. So then, for the top layer, I'm going to do green, maybe like a blue-green. So, add a little bit more salt. And we're going to do some green. And some blue. Mix that in. You're gonna have all these different colors in there, so you can kind of experiment, blend the colors together. And we're gonna pour the green in on top. Okay. And maybe I'll do just some green. Now with Epsom salts, what you can do is you can actually add this to your bath if you're taking a bath. I've done this, so like the chalk isn't going to bother anything. It doesn't really color the water very much because it's not, there's not that much chalk in it, and it's fine. So there, and then let's see if we can finish this off with some, like, a lighter green. Oops, so did some yellow, a bit more green. Mix that in. Yeah, I was actually reading about, if you wanted to make bath salts, and you can add, like, maybe some essential oils to this once you're done, if you have those. Okay. Now, I'm going to have to kind of shake it to get it filling in those corners. And this craft also works like if you have, if you wanted to make your own colored sand, if you wanted to do this with rice. All right. So there we go. Put this on there. And that's it. Like I said, I kind of wish I had done more layers here to, give it a different look, but that is our craft. It's really easy to do. Again, you can pick this up at the library. And last of all, Summer Reading Club is wrapping up, but you can still claim prizes through August. And teen programs, we will be resuming in-person programs at the Hancock branch. So if you have never been here, we're located across the street from the Mary Vinson. And we have after-school programs from 3:30 to 5:30, Monday through Friday. We've got craft programs like we've been doing. We have fandom days where we watch anime or talk about fandom stuff. We have movie days. We have board game days. We have Maker Mondays, where that's where you can kind of come in and use all of our craft supplies to make stuff. and work on projects. And so, yeah, hopefully I will see you all this fall when the school starts back. I know most people are going to be starting back next week. So if you are around, come see us, and yeah, keep on reading. Even though the virtual summer reading club programs are over, I am still planning to probably, keep doing a couple virtual programs a month as well. And of course, we have the whole backlog of the past year and more of programs you can watch on our YouTube or on our Instagram. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.